What's up, you money makers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about two stocks that can potentially double with a huge potential. So I want to talk about three things in this video. Two stocks that can double in next few months, or at least in next 12 months. And we'll talk about why the companies have huge potential. The second thing is we'll talk about the company fundamentals and why we believe that the stock can double in next 12 months. And the third thing is the price prediction. I will do analysis based on the price prediction, based on the analysts that share their ratings around buy, hold, sell, or strongly hold or strongly buy. And we'll talk about the TPRanks rating. These are the certified analysts. So click on the like button if you haven't already, because we want to share this information with more and more people, and we want to help out more and more investors. Especially if you're the new investor in the stock market, you want to watch this video and do your own analysis. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes, but I want to share and I want to give more of a value added in terms of the analysis and research that I have done, hoping you can make informed financial decision. So do your own analysis, due diligence, and review as well, because after all, at the end of the day, that's your own money and you want to trade your investment or savings pretty carefully. But these two stocks have massive potential. These companies are pretty innovative company. They're going to change the game and they're going to redefine the future of how things work into their respective areas of expertise and the products that they offer. So without further delay, let's talk about this. If you haven't clicked on the like button, click on the like button just now. Click on the subscribe button so you can get notified as well. I've been sharing a ton of information with time sensitive updates as well. So if you want to turn on the notification bell, it's going to help out as well. So let's talk about these two stocks. So the first stock is Chargepoint Holding Inc., ticker symbol CHPT. The stock is trading at $22.01, as you can see right here. The stock is down 4%. For 5 days, the stock is up 2.80%. For 1 month, the stock is down 7.5%. And for 6 months, the stock is down 14%. Let's take a look at the year to date. The stock is down 40%. For 1 year, the stock is up 112%. The 52-week price range is $10 and $49.48. The company has a huge potential. The stock was cut in half, and this is going to be an opportunity for someone who wants to hold for mid to long term, and I'll share in a second why. The company has a strong momentum. Their July, the latest earning suggests a super significant revenue increase, 56.12 million, which is a spike of 60%. Prior to that, on April 21st, the revenue was 40.51 million, which was a year-over-year change of significantly up 23.60%. And now you want to also note that the net income at that time was 82 million. Right now their net income is negative, but the company has been doing a ton of acquisition, ton of innovations. They're expanding themselves, so there is an operational cost, EBITDA, so on and so forth. But one more thing that you also want to notice is the company has ton of cash in hand to expand themselves, to do more and more acquisitions, to fuel their innovations and make their product even better. This is the company, one of the strong leader into the industry, and they have more. They are 7x than their next competition, or their competitor is 7 times less. They have 7 times less market share than what Chargepoint has. In other words, with this strong cash, the company can flow super strongly into upcoming future. Now let's take a look at the second quarter result that was just announced before a few days. The quarterly revenue increased by 61%. The full revenue guidance also was raised by 15%. Think about it. The company has been giving strong guidance, and they are delivering up to their guidance. They're activated the reports that exceeds 118,000 as of July 31st. With over 5,400 in Europe and 3,700 DC fast charge points. They also have a tie-up that introduced the global fleet charging portfolio and seamless charging integration with one of the world best in-vehicle in-app with Mercedes-Benz United States of America. Now this is going to be super impressive. In addition to that, they also announced the agreement to acquire European e-mobility technology provider HCMC, and I did the video on that, why this is super important. That is going to be a game changer acquisition for Chargepoint, CHPT, and they also acquired e-bus e-commercial vehicle management provider Vericity. Now this is how they're improving their global footprint into the market. They're going to raise the revenue, and why I am saying that, because here are some of the revenue numbers for the profit and loss projection that the company has provided right here. The revenue guidance in terms of the metrics is in fiscal year 2022, the company is expecting 346 million US dollars, in 2023 $602 million, in 2024 $984, and they're going to break by 2025 $1.1 billion mark, not only just $1 billion mark, but 1.43 billion, and by 2026 they're going to have $2.07 billion in revenue. And why do I believe into this revenue is because the company is one of the strong leader into the industry, and which is why I wanted to also share this particular TPRanks rating from the analysts. These ratings are not from me. This is the analysis and research that I've done, and I want to share with you. There are 9 ratings for the month of September that I'm seeing latest, where 7 analysts are saying a buy, 1 is saying a hold, and 1 is saying a sell. So they're recommending, only 1 analyst suggesting sell, and the rest are either buy or hold, but 7 are buy. And let's take a look at what is the lowest price that they're talking about. The lowest price, regardless of whoever is suggesting sell or buy, the lowest price is 24 US dollars. Now think about it. When someone is talking about $24, which is the price point for our prediction for next 12 months, by the way, you want to keep in mind that this is not going to happen. The average price of $34.75 is not going to happen overnight or over a week or over a couple of weeks. This is a 12-month target. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This can go either way based on what the company does, because there is no guarantee what's going to happen in future as to what the company has done back in the days or in the past. So you want to consider that. But this is a pretty strong indicator in my opinion, because right now the lowest price point is $24, where the current price of the stock is $22. So if you think about $24 versus $22, it's still 10% margin, 10% increase into the price point. And this is once again a very stable company, very stable stock. The high price is $46, and right now we are at $22, which is why I'm thinking that this is an opportunity for someone who wants to put their money in relatively safe stock and just hold for a long time. There's a potential that this can double. There could be another potential if someone down the line wants to sell it out as a swing trade. If that happens, maybe like in a week or so, let's say if the stock goes up 15-20% and someone wants to sell that stock, well, that's not a bad strategy either. So I just wanted to share this. So hope you like this. Now that we are moving on to the second stock, but before that, I wanted to share how the stock has been trading. It went at the end of December 2020, it went to $46, went down in January to $36, went back up about the 40 level mark. Once again, went to $44.40, as you can see just right here, and gradually it went down all the way to $20. Now $20 mark is a pretty important mark. Let's take a look right here. After the stock sustained about $21, $22 right here, spiked up all the way to $33. Once again, went back to $20.21, went back up to $31. Once again, went to $20. Once again, went back up, went back to $20, went back up right here to $35, $36. What I'm trying to say is this, once again, it has a very strong support. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times the stock touched $20 and shot back up because the stock has a strong support at the $20 mark. So you want to notice that $20 mark as well. Now let's move on to the second. So $20 is a great support, and from that price point, based on the analysis that we have done with tip ranks and other stuff that we talked about, the stock has a huge potential to go to $40, even $45 as we talked about. The second stock is Bionano Genomics, Bngo. The stock is trading at $5.86. Let's take a look at the 5-day range. The stock is up 1%, so super flat, 7% down for 6 months, 25% down, year to date 18% down. Let's take a look at 1 year. The 1 year chart shows that the stock was up 1,095%, more than 11 times return on the investment. The investors made a ton of money who bought early into the stock. The stock price went to $15.69. As you can see, the year range is $15.69. One of the PennyStocks, super innovative company. One of the biggest product that they have is called Sapphire. This Sapphire is a Sapphire optical genome mapping instrument or a system that analyzes structural variations, and it's a discovery platform that results in large scale structural variations missed by the next generation sequencing or the NGS system that was not doable up until now. Now, why this stock is super important? If you have been watching this stock pretty closely, they had this conference, or they got this exposure on August 26th. So before a couple of days, Bionano Genomics announced HG lineup featuring 11 customer presentation of OGM data spanning 3 major clinical research areas of application from 10 institutions and 6 countries. So the company is super innovative. They have been doing something that no one has done back in the days efficiently the way this company is doing. There is a ton of affiliation that you can see just right here, and the application area that you can read here as well. This particular product is super important to identify some of the disorder and also some of the diseases like cancers and development disorder that this device can identify. One of the things that you also want to notice for this stock is the tip ranks analyst rating and also the price prediction. The price prediction for the stock is $11.33. I do believe that this could happen given that how the stock was traded back in the days. We're not talking about $15.69 once again, but I do believe that if there is bigger momentum into Bionano Genomics, and if they spike up the revenue numbers, as you can see right here, the revenue in June 2021 was 3.86 million, in March 3 million, December 3.99, so close to 4 million, before that 2 million, and before that 1 million. So as you can see, they doubled up the revenue, or maybe 3 times from June 2020 to June 2021, 226% spike into the revenue. And given that the innovation and the attractive and the super I want to say the innovative product that Sapphire is, there will be an opportunity for company to ramp up this revenue to 10 times, 20 times, 30 times in upcoming future. And given that the potential, the analysts are suggesting the price point or price target of $11.33 for next 12 months. The lowest price is $10, as you can see just right here, which is double than what we see today. So $5.86. You want to find out what's the best price that you want to buy this stock at, but the price point $5.86, potential to be double, with the high price point that analysts are suggesting is $14, which is going to be 3 times more, almost 3 times. If someone buys it at $5, it hits $14-15. It's 3 times price point than what we see today, which is why the stock is super lucrative, super attractive in my opinion. Looking at the historical data, as you can see, the stock was trading about $6 just before a month, $6.32, and since then the stock went back into the $5 range territory. It went to $5.12, as low as $5.12, and got back up very close to $6. So you want to wait for the right price point. If you take a look at this Yahoo portal right now, they're also suggesting an average or price prediction from the analyst is $11.50 to analyst rating for September. Both are suggesting a buy, which means once again a great thing. The stock was very very close to, or not close to, but it was $8 at the end of June, $8.03. So think about it. There is a strong potential that someone can make money if they want to find out a relatively low risk penny stock. And I would call this still a penny stock, even though they're above $5, because there is a lot of ton of volatility. The market cap is $1.64 billion. Yes, it's an innovative company, but we saw 47 cents just not before too long back in the history. We saw below $1 in January, but since then there is a lot more happened with the company. The company is moving forward aggressively. I hope you like this video. Once again, both the stock, do your analysis and research, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell. I hope this video adds value into your investment journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.